Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming 2025 foldable smartphone Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 could get an ultra upgrade and other massive features. According to the latest available data, this is exclusive. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will launch with One UI 8 on board. The new One UI 8 could arrive on existing devices much faster as a result. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The South Korean giant company Samsung fans aren't happy with how the company has handled the One UI 7 Android 15 update. One UI 7's official rollout will take place much later than any previous version of One UI, which has left Galaxy phone and tablet users wanting. They have also been wondering if a delayed rollout will affect future versions of One UI, particularly One UI 8. Multiple reports have claimed that Samsung is planning to release it much faster than One UI 7, and that it may even launch its foldable flagships in the second half of the year, with One UI 8 based on Android 16 preloaded software upgrade. New reports claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 flexible devices will run One UI 8 out of the box. Yes, we have a good news. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will indeed run the latest Android and One UI version out of the box. That will be Android 16 and One UI 8.0. If that's indeed the case, it's not far-fetched to think that the One UI 8 rollout for existing devices, like the Galaxy S25, will start much quicker than One UI 7. Google has plans to release stable Android 16 sometime in June or July of this year. So, Samsung could launch the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 just a few days or weeks after the release of stable Android 16. Every year, Google publicly showcases a new version of Android during the Google I/O event. This year, Google I/O 2025 will be held on May 20th and 21, and we will get to see major changes that Android 16 will bring. Google has already released 3 beta versions of Android 16. And One UI 8.0 will likely adopt most major underlying changes and improvements that Google has introduced. There's currently no official word on when we might see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 arrive, though rumors, supported by the Galaxy Club report, suggest July is the month to mark in your calendar. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7. And there is also talk of a trifold device, which would presumably rival the Huawei Mate X-T if it arrives. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.